In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the average rate of change. Now, the difference quotient that you see here, I'm not going to show you in this video, but I'll leave a link in the description for that one. Otherwise, the video will be a little bit too long. So let's just jump straight into it. The rate of change is what you remember from Algebra 1. It's really just a slope. And algebraically, we could think about that as the change in y over the change in x. I guess geometrically, you could think about it like that too. Not I guess, you could definitely do that. It's a slope, rise over run. Change in y over change in x. So this is really your x. F of x is your y. So I always do large number minus small number. You could do small number minus large number as well, but you have to keep it consistent. So f of 3, right? We want to find a y value when x is 3 minus f of 1. Now you gotta be really careful here because I did this question. I did it wrong twice. I'm like, why am I getting it wrong? And it's because of this minus. So just be really, really careful. 3, so we're substituting 3 in for x in the function f. So 3 squared is 9. 9 times negative 2 is negative 18. And negative 18 plus 1 is negative 17. So negative 17 there. F of 1. So 1 square. Oh, you know what? That's where I made my mistake. Minus, open a parentheses. We're going to put the other number inside of that parentheses here. Because minusing whatever here could change the sign of it. At least visually. So if we put in this 1 right into that x, 1 squared is 1. 1 times negative 2 is negative 2. Negative 2 plus 1 is negative 1. So this is where I was making a mistake right here. Right? Because that negative and that negative, it changes into a positive, right? Think about it as a negative 1. You're distributing it in. You're multiplying it in. 3 minus 1 is 2. So a minus, a negative comes together to become a plus. So think about this as negative 17 plus 1, which is negative 16. Negative 16 divided by 2 is 8. So let's do the other rate of change. From 0 to 2. So same thing, changing y over changing x. So that's from 2 to 0. All right, let's just do the denominator since we're here. 2 minus 0 is 2. And this, since we're using g, this will be g of 2 minus g of 0. So if x was 2 in function g, 2 to the third, that's just 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. Minus, open parentheses, close it right away. You're going to put the number in there. So g of 0, 0 to the third power is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. So this is 9 minus 1 divided by 2. That's 8 divided by 2, which is 4. And that's how you find the average rate of change.